Welcome to my channel. This is Daisy here. So finally it's another night off for me, and to make this evening a bit more special, I'm going to prepare chili paneer roll. You can also call it chili paneer wrap. Basically it's a wrap with chili paneer as the filling. We will also make like a quick cabbage and carrot pickle. So what is chili paneer? Chili paneer is like an Indo-Chinese dish. It's like a Manchurian that we will use as a filling in this wrap. Let me show you what we need. So before we start, I need to tell you there's 3 steps in this dish. The first one will be me making the dough for the wrap. So we'll prepare that and put it away. Then I will make a quick pickle out of cabbage and carrot. So we'll get that prepared. Then we will move on to do the chili paneer. Fry it and cook it in the sauce. Then we'll assemble everything together. Keep watching. Okay, so first we'll start by making the dough for the wrap, and then we'll put it away to rest. I've got 1.5 cup of white flour here. Okay, so it's going to be a very simple dough. Just a pinch of salt in the flour, and we're just going to prepare it like we do for chapatis and paratha. Okay, so I've been kneading for the past 5 minutes and the dough seems quite nice and soft. I'm going to put it away for a few minutes. Okay guys, so dough's done. We'll now move on to the cabbage and carrots. Cabbage and carrots works very well, as you know, with a Chinese dish. So we cannot make this dish without this pickle. It complements the dish really well. So we're just going to cut the cabbage into fine juliennes. I'm going to make it really fine. Now we're going to do the carrots. I'm just going to do it finely, a bit finely. This pickle makes the whole wrap a bit more healthier. Just a way to eat a bit more veg really. So the carrots are now ready. And I just need to tell you what we need to put in the pickle. I've got some slices of chili here. Just add it. Sugar. Just a tiny little bit. Pinch of salt, and the most important thing is the vinegar. So like 1 teaspoon of white vinegar. So all we have to do is just mix it. Okay, so we're just going to leave it to pickle. In the meanwhile, we'll prepare the chili paneer. Yummy. That's 2 things done for the dish. To prepare the chili paneer, you'll need these ingredients. Let me show you. 200 gram of paneer, 1/3 cup of corn flour, a bit of salt, soy sauce, coriander, onions, chili sauce, spring onions. As I said, coriander earlier, but this is chopped. You could use pepper, but I'm using chili. Ginger, you could also grate it. That's it really. So we start by cutting the paneer into long slices rather than cubes. So we'll have to now mix it with the corn flour. Have it all in a bowl. Just add a pinch of salt to taste, and just the corn flour. I'm just going to add some water to it as well, just to make it like a batter. We don't want to overcomplicate the dish by adding too many stuff when we're doing the paneer, because at the end of the day in the sauce there will be quite a few things. We'll just keep the paneer rather simple, otherwise it will end up becoming a very complicated dish. There you go, this is ready to be fried. heating a bit of oil in a pan to fry the paneer. We want this to turn brown before we take it out because otherwise it will be too soggy when we put it in the sauce. Let's heat up some oil. This is hot. We're just going to put the chopped onion, chili, add the ginger now. Finely chopped ginger. Let the ginger cook, then we'll put the sauce. Chili sauce. Smells really nice. Yeah, then a little bit of that soy sauce. You have to remember this is really salty. I think we use about 2 to 3 tablespoons here. And just add a tiny bit of water. And you can add the paneer to it now. Okay, let it cook for a couple of minutes. Now add the spring onion. And coriander. There we go. So we don't want it running because this is going to be the filling of the wrap. So this is good actually. All done. Okay, the dough is now ready, as you can see. We're just going to make small balls out of it. Okay, let's start with this one. Just have some dry flour. So if you can't make it a round shape, you could actually use a pizza cutter or knife to make it round. So I'll just get the pancake pan to heat up. Just going to apply some oil on both sides. See, it's cooked on both sides now. Just take it off and put it aside, cover it with something just to keep it soft. So I'll just cover it and put it on the table. Okay guys, so all 3 things are ready. The wrap, the quick cabbage and carrots pickle, and the chili paneer. We are now ready to assemble everything together to make our lovely wrap and we can enjoy it. So I'm just going to prepare one to show you how we do it. So here we can use mayo or we can use yogurt, whichever you want, just to make sure the wrap is not dry. And we'll just have a bed of this lovely pickle. Not too much. We'll add our paneer. Okay, I'm just going to add some more curd on it. Nearly done. Just wrap it round. There you go, the chili paneer wrap is now ready. I can't wait to taste this. Thank you for watching guys. The chili paneer wrap is ready now and I'm going to sit in front of the telly, watch Netflix and eat this lovely wrap. Thank you for watching. I'll see you soon. Take care. Bye.